placing keepouts or openings in your solder mask to expose areas where you do not want it applied. First, go to Colors and Visibility. You can scroll over to that, and then that'll open the box here. You will have top solder mask and bottom solder mask. So I'm going to click the top one. You can see the green shows where the solder mask would be applied on the board, and the red will show the openings in the solder mask. You'll want to select rectangle or polygon or ellipse for the shape of opening you'd like. And select your solder mask here. And then you can either do a keep out fill or a keep out outline. Select keep out fill. And you can see it's made an opening in the solder mask. And if you want an outline, you can click the outline and it'll change it to an outline. Or an ellipse, you could make like a round outline. And you could also change it to a fill, which would make it an opening.